I don't mind letting you down easy, but just give it time. If it don't hurt now, but just wait a while. Another big fish in the pond, no more. You were what they're feeding on. So what are you gonna do when the world don't orbit around you? So what are you gonna do when the world don't orbit around you? Ain't it fun living in the real world? Ain't it good?
Hey guys, welcome back to Cat Talk this week. I'm Scarlett. And I'm Jalea. And this is your 2016 news edition. Make sure you stay in dress code. No hoodies, sleeveless shirts, or slippers. And make sure to have your ID around your neck. Each senior must pay $125 by February 1st, and this fee covers your cap, gown, and tassel. Senior awards is on May 5th, and graduation is on May 14th. The cross-country banquet will be February 9th, starting at 5:30, so please see Coach Chambers if you are able to attend. Please be sure to clean up after yourselves in the afternoon, because there's a lot of trash being left from your snack bags. Yeah. And now onto some world news. Trump threatens to impose tariffs on nations who oppose his demand to take control of Greenland. There are many dead and injured after a high-speed train crash in Spain. 4 shark attacks occur in Australia over the course of 48 hours. Government officials warn people to not go to the beach. Now for some fun facts. In 2016, the world's longest railway tunnel, the Gotthard Base Tunnel, opened in Switzerland. In 2016, the Chicago Cubs won the World Series for the first time in 108 years. In 2016, the Ebola epidemic in West Africa was declared over. Woo! Now for some famous birthdays. Caitlin Clark turns 24. Alicia Keys turns 45. And Aisha Speed turns 21. Now here's Bailey and Janella with your weekly forecast. Bye, guys.
What's up, YouTube? I'm Sonia.
I'm Liz.
And we're here with your weather. Last week we had mid-weather with the highs in the low 60s and the lows in the mid-50s.
And then this upcoming weekend it's going to get pretty cold, and they say it may even snow, which it might actually, because the temps are going to be in the low 20s and the high 30s. And then the week after, the upcoming week is going to be a little warmer, but still a little cold. It's going to be the highs in the 50s and the lows in the 40s, so thankful for that.
And that's all we have for your weather. Bye!
Woo! Hey guys, it's Shalea.
And it's Nixie.
And here's your Cat Talk Sports from last week and this week.
Last week on the 20th, we had a soccer game at home and a girls and boys basketball game at Hicks. The 22nd, we had a girls soccer game at NCHS. The 23rd, we had a girls basketball game at Southern Bow, and we had a boys basketball game at DeRitter. We had a soccer game as well at Buckeye.
And then for this week, on the 26th, girls basketball and boys basketball will play at Oak Hill, and soccer will play at home. And on the 27th, soccer will play at home again, and girls basketball and boys basketball will play at Hicks. On the 29th, soccer will play at home, and softball will play at Maryville. And then on the 30th, girls basketball and boys basketball will play at home. And that's all for this week's Cat Talk Sports. Thank you guys for watching. See you next week. Bye.
Hey Cat Talk, I'm Janella.
I'm LJ.
And let's get into some 2016 interviews. First off, what comes to mind when you think about that year?
NBA YoungBoy.
Okay. And what would you want to bring back from 2016?
Fidget spinners and McDonald's playground.
Yes, especially the fidget spinners. Oh my gosh. And now let's see if you can land this bottle flip 3 times.
I keep going?
Yeah, keep going.
I think this is a
Come on, you
little
got
bit
this.
Bro, quit. It's too much water. Y'all watching?
Hey Cat Talk, it's Larson, and I'm here with Eli. And we got some 2016 base questions to ask. First off, what reminds you of 2016?
Really, like when I think about 2016, I think about when Drake was releasing great songs. You know, he was a GOAT.
I think my favorite Drake song was One Day Inspector. It's another great song. And next up, if you could bring something back from 2016, what would that
Probably Pokemon. Pokemon Go.
Pokemon
That
Go.
game was hard.
That's a good answer. I like that. And can you land a bottle flip 3 times?
Probably. Oh wait.
Wait, redo it.
It's too much water in here.
Yeah.
It's too much water in here, bro. I can't do it.
What's up, Cat Talk fans? I'm Jabari,
I'm Evren.
and we're back with another news story. This week, we're talking about the iconic year of 2016.
This year is widely remembered as one of the most influential and iconic pop culture years of the 2010s. It was packed with viral trends, major celebrity moments, and global events that shaped the decade.
Some of the most notable things this year were
Beyonce released Lemonade, one of the most influential visual albums of the decade.
Stranger Things premiered, and it became an instant hit.
Leonardo DiCaprio finally won his first Oscar, a long-running internet joke that turned to a historical moment.
The Mannequin Challenge swept the internet, with celebrities, athletes, and even politicians participating.
Pokemon Go became a worldwide craze, sending millions of people outside to hunt virtual Pokemon and creating a global shared experience.
This year, we also had dance trends like
Juju on that beat,
the Running Man Challenge,
Hit the Quan,
dabbing,
and we also had apps such as
Snapchat at its peak, with filter streaks and Bitmoji integration becoming our only habits.
and Instagram, which was introduced stories in 2016, changing social media forever.
This summarizes our iconic year. That's all for this week.
See y'all next week.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
See you next week.
Oh, I didn't.
There's someone down there. There's someone right there. Take 50. Here we go. Wow.
I'm Janelle from Cat Talk, and I'm here with
LJ.
and let's get into 2016 interviews. Wait, did you do the transition?
Oh, you were supposed to do that. I
Oh,
thought.
I was. Okay, wait. Okay,
What's the
redo.
transition?
Flip 3 times.
Probably. Oh wait.
Wait, redo. I messed up.
Black Beatles in the city, be back immediately to confiscate the money. Right scrum. Wow. My will. You sent flowers, but you said you didn't receive. But you said you didn't need them. That girl is a real crowd, please. Small world, all her friends know of me. Young bull living like an old geese. Quick release the cash, watch it fall slow.